Top 5 spices to instantly cleanse your kidneys. Flush out toxins fast. Have you been feeling more tired lately, your ankles a little swollen, or waking up with puffy eyes you can't explain? Maybe that dull ache in your lower back, the one you keep ignoring, is becoming part of your mornings. These small signs often whisper what most seniors in America overlook: your kidneys may be slowing down. After 50, your body doesn't filter waste as efficiently, and toxins start building up quietly. According to the CDC, nearly 1 in 7 adults in the US, that's over 37 million people, are living with reduced kidney function, many without even knowing it. And here's something few realize: for seniors, diet plays a decisive role. But the good news? Supporting your kidneys doesn't always require medication or complicated diets. Sometimes, it starts right in your spice cabinet. Nature has already packed 5 powerful spices that can help flush out toxins and renew kidney strength almost instantly, and if you felt any of those signs, stay with me, because I've gathered the 5 most effective, research-backed spices you should start using today. If this topic sparks your interest, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because we're about to uncover what these spices are, and how they can transform your kidney health starting now. 1. Parsley. Most people think parsley is just decoration on the plate, but few realize it's one of the most powerful kidney cleansers sitting right in the fridge door. What makes parsley stand out after 50 is its ability to push excess sodium and uric acid out before they start stiffening your joints or puffing up your ankles. That swelling you see around the eyes or feet in the morning? It's your kidneys whispering that the filters are slowing down. Parsley carries 2 active compounds, apiol and myristicin, that lightly stimulate kidney filtration and keep those filters unclogged. A 2019 NIH analysis found that parsley tea increased urinary volume by almost 1/4 within hours, helping wash out waste more efficiently than plain water alone. Even more interesting, its chlorophyll and vitamin C shield your kidney cells from oxidative wear, which is one of the main reasons kidney performance drops quietly with age. Now, the trick is how you use it. Don't boil it, that kills its oils in seconds. Instead, chop a handful, about 5 g, and steep it in warm water at 80 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, then sip it slowly before breakfast. This timing lets your kidneys flush out toxins collected overnight. Adding a squeeze of lemon, about 3 milliliters, doubles the cleansing effect because citric acid dissolves early kidney crystals. If you ever feel unusually tired or notice puffy fingers after salty meals, that's the exact moment parsley water can bring quick relief. It's simple, fast, and works quietly, just like the organ it protects. 2. Turmeric. If parsley cleanses, turmeric protects. What most people don't know is that the same curcumin that eases knee pain also guards kidney tissue from silent inflammation that builds up year after year. After 50, inflammation becomes chronic, not the kind you feel, but the kind that slowly scars kidney filters. Curcumin blocks those inflammatory molecules before they harden tissue. A Cleveland Clinic follow-up in 2021 observed that daily turmeric users reduced kidney inflammation markers by nearly 1/3 compared to non-users. That's not folklore, it's measurable protection, but the secret strength of turmeric lies in how it binds to heavy metals like lead and cadmium that sneak into your water or cookware and accumulate in the kidneys. It locks them in, making them easier for your body to excrete, almost like putting a cover over toxic dust. The catch? Your body absorbs barely 1% of curcumin on its own. To fix that, mix 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder with just a pinch of black pepper. The piperine boosts absorption almost 20-fold. Drink this with lukewarm milk or almond milk, not boiling, because heat above 100 degrees Celsius destroys curcumin molecules in seconds. If you prefer it fast, blend the same mix into half a cup of warm oat milk and sip it mid-morning. Within a week, many people notice lighter urine color and less fatigue after long days, signs your filtration system is finally catching up again. 3. Coriander seeds. Here's something your grandmother's kitchen got right: coriander seeds aren't just for soups, they're nature's oldest kidney tonic. As we cross 50, one of the biggest issues isn't just toxins themselves, it's mineral imbalance: too much sodium, too little potassium, and suddenly your kidneys must work twice as hard to keep blood pressure stable. Coriander seeds help balance that ratio naturally. Their compounds linalool and borneol bind to trace toxins and escort them out through urine, cleaning the system without the harsh crash of diuretics. In a 2021 Journal of Environmental Science Health Review, coriander seed extract cut heavy metal buildup in kidney tissue by over 1/3. A remarkable detox effect achieved with no side effects. You can literally taste how light you feel after using it right. Soak 1 tablespoon, around 6 g, of coriander seeds overnight, then simmer that same water for 5 minutes in the morning. Sip it warm, not hot, to preserve the volatile oils that do the cleansing work. To boost its circulation power, add 1 thin slice of fresh ginger, about 2 centimeters, into the pot. Together, they improve blood flow through the kidneys. Within a few days, bloating eases, urine odor fades, and energy returns because the filtration rate improves. And unlike parsley or turmeric, coriander's gentle taste makes it easy to drink daily without overwhelming your system. It's the quiet daily ritual that helps your kidneys keep pace with your life again. For ginger, you know that warm feeling you get after sipping fresh ginger tea? That's not just comfort, it's your circulation waking up. After 50, when blood flow slows and kidney cells receive less oxygen, waste lingers longer inside the body. Ginger steps in like a spark plug. Its main compound, gingerol, opens up blood vessels and increases the filtration rate in your kidneys, almost like switching from a slow faucet to a steady stream. A 2020 study from the Journal of Renal Nutrition showed that consistent ginger intake improved kidney filtration speed by around 18 milliliters per minute, which is a big deal when your system's starting to lag. When kidneys don't filter fast enough, you may feel dull back discomfort, swelling around your feet, or even that metallic taste in your mouth, all subtle early signs of overload. Ginger helps by clearing inflammation and keeping those filters active. To make it actually work, the secret is temperature and timing. Don't boil it to death. Simmer 3 thin slices, roughly 12 grams, of fresh ginger in 250 milliliters of water for 10 minutes and drink it mid-morning, when circulation naturally dips. Adding 5 drops of lemon juice enhances its cleansing enzymes, helping flush out urea buildup faster. And here's an underrated trick: chew half a teaspoon of raw grated ginger right before your main meal once a day. It wakes up digestion and encourages better kidney perfusion immediately afterward. Within a week, many people notice less bloating and fewer salt cravings because the kidneys start balancing minerals again. Ginger doesn't just warm your stomach, it wakes up every filter in your body that's been half asleep for years. 5. Cinnamon. Cinnamon might smell like holidays, but for anyone past 50, it's more like a year-round insurance policy for the kidneys. The reason? It's one of the few natural foods that directly protects the delicate filters from sugar overload, the silent enemy of aging kidneys. When glucose lingers too long in the bloodstream, it stiffens tiny capillaries in the kidneys, a process called glycation. That's when you start noticing slow-healing skin, morning fatigue, or frequent nighttime urination. Cinnamon fights this by improving how your body responds to insulin, so sugar gets used for energy instead of circulating as waste. A 2022 Harvard Medical School review found that people who took just 1 gram of cinnamon daily improved insulin sensitivity by 27%. Easing the strain on the kidneys and reducing sugar-related damage. To get those benefits, timing and purity matter. Skip the supermarket powder that's been sitting for months, most of its oils have already evaporated. Instead, break half a cinnamon stick, about 2 inches, and steep it in a cup of hot water for 12 minutes, covered, so its essential oils stay trapped. Drink this warm before bed, when kidney detox naturally peaks. The gentle heat helps relax the urinary system while stabilizing overnight blood sugar. For a faster option, sprinkle 1/3 of a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon over warm oatmeal in the morning. It supports steady energy through the day without burdening the kidneys. Within days, you may notice steadier energy and lighter mornings, without that foggy sugar crash. Cinnamon isn't just flavor, it's protection in disguise, keeping your kidneys calm, clean, and quietly efficient every single day. Before you scroll away, remember this: ignoring your kidney health isn't just about fatigue or swelling, it's what slowly steals your energy, your clarity, even your independence. Don't wait until your body sends a louder warning. If today's message spoke to you, hit subscribe, give this video a like, and most importantly, share it with someone you care about. You never know whose life you might change by doing something that simple. And if there's a health topic you'd like me to cover next, leave a comment below. Your ideas help guide this community. To sum it up, protecting your kidneys is protecting your future. Small, consistent changes in what you eat can decide how strong you feel years from now. So, what's next? While you're waiting for my next video, click the one on your screen right now. It's packed with more simple, powerful ways to protect your health starting today.